Hey guys, it's CPR Frags here, and today we're going to be doing another 1v1 with another guest. So, he's going to be using an assault rifle, which I think I can still beat him. I'm still going to be using a sniper. Same class, same thing. It's just that he's going to use an assault rifle, which I bet I can still beat him easily. What do you think, Nick?
Yeah, you're gonna beat me.
He doesn't even try to. He's so.
Where's my
Your confidence
class
is so little, Nick. I think you got this in the bag.
Where is my class? What's the
Nick, it's go up. It's that one.
Oh my God.
Wow, blind. So today we have a blind person.
Thanks. I'm a kid yet.
You're not this good.
Oh, I suck. I'm dead.
Quick scope.
Hit marker.
Hit marker for days.
Thanks. Wait, I was shooting this dummy's head off.
What's up? What's up? Hey, let's
I'm
go.
dead.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
what are you doing? He's like, I'm dead. You want me to turn the sensitivity up or down? What do you want me to turn the sensitivity to something else, Nick?
No. Pop! Died.
Hey, when you move, you might wanna
Where are you at?
behind you. Hurry up!
Where are you at?
Right here.
Pray
Oh crap!
for
Oh
me.
crap! You almost killed me. Don't punch me.
Oh,
I got it.
that's what I do. I just pray and spray, pray and spray.
Which
Oh.
is that helping you very much?
Oh,
What's
where
up?
are you?
Nick, when you're moving your head, don't aim and shoot. Just like move your head, stop everything you're doing. Ah, you killed me.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to no scope him.
Hey, hey. I'm dead now. Cause I don't know where you're at. You're up there.
Nope, behind you.
I salted you.
I saw it in you.
Yep.
Nice use of words.
Thanks. What are you doing?
Blowing up the car. Come on, Nick. Better come here before the car blows up. I'll let you get a free kill before the car. If you come here before the car blows up, I'll let you get a free kill on me.
Yay.
Dang it! That did not go as planned. I thought it would only take like one more shot to blow up the car. And except the blue car gave you 10 points.
Oh no, I'm out. I'm out. Oh, I know. I see what you're trying to do.
No, Nick.
Here's how you do it. You go.
Ah!
Oh no! Right when I was. Oh.
Why did the car? Oh, I know how you do it. You gotta.
Oh, run away! Run away! Run away! Way! Way! Ah, I got you. Oh.
It's called Tomahawk Nick. What? Is this car pinchable? What the heck? This car didn't blow it up.
Gotcha.
Nope, you suck. Oh, dang it.
Hey, who sucks now?
Hey, Nick, I'll only use my knife. If you can't kill me, you suck.
Oh, that's gonna be so easy.
Ah, says the one who just got killed.
You just, cause you play this every day.
No.
I haven't.
Hi, Nick, I'm right behind you.
No, you're not. I don't believe you.
360, no scope.
God dang
I shot it, so it didn't work.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you.
360. Oh, crap.
Ah, got him. Hi, got him. Come at me. Come at me. Where'd you go? Oh.
I went behind you.
Oh.
I like my knife, 'cause I like the taunt.
Oh no. Oh.
Why? Hit markers. That's the bad thing about quick scoping for far range from this thing. I don't know what happened to my gun, but it used to like a one shot all the time. I have to put new things that have more damage.
Oh, I'm dead, aren't I?
360.
Oh,
That's how you
got
didn't hit.
lucky.
No, I think you just suck. So we're gonna go. The game is to 15. So
Yeah. Oh.
yeah,
I'm trying to juke.
You try to juke, run at me again with your fist. I'll let you get a free kill. Hey, fist. I mean, your knife. Boxing gloves. Go to your boxing gloves. We're gonna have a knife off, or
Where you
melee off. 3.
I knew you would slide. I just don't know how to slide.
Hey, come here. We're gonna do a Mexican standoff in the train station thing right here. Okay, the little
Okay.
not train station, but the bus and tram thing.
Okay, where are you at?
Okay, so ready? Wait, stop. No, don't kill me. So we're gonna get right here, turn around. Don't get a cheap kill. Turn around.
I'm turning around.
Turn around. Okay, 1, 2. Really, Nick? I can look off
You're
the screen.
screeching.
Yeah, because I don't want you to do this. Well, okay, ready? Take 1 step. 1, 2, 3. Flip, Nick! I knew you were gonna do this.
Oh, I still die. Come
I
on.
want to do a Mexican standoff. Why? I'm gonna get in my Lambo real quick. Hold on, just hotline. Hey, I'm getting in my Lambo.
Where'd you go?
Right there.
Oh.
You don't even look at me. You're just staying still. Oh, come on. Overdrive it.
Can't get me out. Oh.
That was the last kill, so.
Really?
Yep. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. So see you next time.
Take it easy.